Good day, students. Thanks for joining today's class. Today, I want to solve problem involving area of a plane shapes. In this question, you are given the shaded portion and the unshaded portion, and you have to look for the area of the shaded portion, the area of the region shaded. What you need to do is that you look for the area of the square, but this is how do we know that it's a square? You can see the line on the four sides of the outside shape. Okay, that means that it's a square. If not, if the lines are not put, means that the sides are not equal. Okay, that means that it will be a rectangle. Okay, but now since the line are put in the four sides of the shape, the outside shape, that means that it's a square. And you are giving one side to be 15, automatically the other sides are also 15. Now what we need to do is to look for the area of the square, look for the area of the circle, and you now subtract, remove the area of the circle from the area of the square, you now get the area of the shaded portion. Now let's give it, look at the length, we are giving the area of the square to be equals to the formula length times breadth. Area of the circle will be equals to pi r squared. Okay, and area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion equals area of the square minus area of the circle. Okay, don't forget that the radius of the circle is 4.8 centimeter. Now let's look for the area of the square first. Area of the square. Don't forget the length is 15 centimeter. Okay, and since it's a square, to be length times length, which is L squared. The length is 15 and the radius of the circle is 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 4.8 centimeter. Now area of the square, which is length times length, is equals to 15 times 15, which is 225 centimeter squared. That's the area of the square. Now let's go to the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r squared. We are given pi to be 22/7. We are given the radius is 4.8 times 4.8. That's over 1. Now the area of the circle, let's use A to represent it so that we'll not be writing the statement often. That's 22 times 4.8 times 4.8. Let's multiply 4.8 times 4.8 first. 4.8 times 4.8. 8 times 8, 64. Put 4 down. R6. 8 times 4, that's 32. 32 plus 6, that's 38. Now 4 times 8, that's 32. Put 2 down. Carry 3. 4 times 4, 16. Plus 3, that's 19. Let's add it together. 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 9 plus 3, that's 12, plus 1, 13, carry 1. Add 1 to this, that's 2. Now shift. How many figure after decimal? 2, 1, 2. That's that. Now shift 1, 2, that's 23.04 times 22. 23.04 times 22. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. Let's add it. 8, 8, 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 carry 1. Add 1 to this 4, that's 5. Let's shift. How many times are we going to shift? You have two figure after decimal. We shift 2 times. 1, 2. You have decimal. That means that when you multiply the numerator, you have in 506.88 divided by 7. That's what we have. Now divide it 506.88 divided by 7. 7 goes in 50. 7 times 7, 49. 50 minus 49, that's 1. Bring 6 down. 7 is 16, that is 2. 7 times 2, 14. When you subtract, you have it 2. 7 goes into impossible. Put decimal. Bring 1 8 down. 7 in 28, that is 4. 7 times 4, that's 28. Okay, bring the 8 down. This 8 will come down. You have 8. 7, 8 goes 1 times 7 times 1, 7. Subtract, is having 1. Add 0. 7 in 10, that's 1. 7 times 1, 7. We subtract, having 3. Since the number other ones are less than 5, let's just concentrate on 2 decimal places. That's 72.41. We divide it, having the area of the circle to be 72.41 centimeters squared. Now, area of the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion equals area of the square, which is 225 minus area of the circle, area of the square, the bigger shape minus the inner one unshaded, that's 72.41 centimeters squared. Now let's subtract 225 minus 72.41. This is 0.00. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow 1 from 5. You are left with 4. Borrow to this place 10. That become 10. This one remain 9. 10 minus 1, that's 9. 9 minus 4, that's 5. 4 minus 2, that's 2. Okay, 2 minus 7 is impossible. Borrow 1 from 2. So these 2 become 12. 12 minus 7, that's 5. You having remainder 1. We subtract, you having 152.59 centimeters squared. That's the area of the shaded portion. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a blessed day.